What's up everybody, my name is JR, aka the Sinister Camaro, and welcome to another video. You might have noticed it might not be Tech Tip Tuesday. We'll do a Tech Tip Wednesday just this once because our friends over at TNshadow Gaming actually gave us first dibs on one of their new products that they have. So thank you guys over at TNshadow Gaming for sending this product for us to review. Can't wait. If you've never heard of TNshadow Gaming before, I suggest you go to the link in the description below. Save yourself 15% off on their budget-friendly devices, materials. We got mouse pads, they're RGB. We got headset holders, as you can see behind me right here. We've got mice, so many different things, and they're still coming out with more products for you the rest of this year. Trust me, you're gonna be excited just as I am. So today, I'm happy to unveil for the first time anywhere the TNshadow, but in white. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna check it out firsthand right after this. So before we get into this video and unbox this bad boy, I'm gonna give you some specs that you need to hear. I already have one, as you can see here behind me. It's black, but for all you white lovers, for your gaming setups and everything, you finally got something, and let me tell you, the colors on this just pop. So here's what you can expect from this product. You got a smart contouring that provides a universal curve that safely fits all kinds of gaming headsets, all of them. Prevents tangles and minimizes drag to provide smoother cursor movements during gameplay. You need that. Easy access, dual USB 3.0 inputs provide improved charging power and faster data speeds for your headset, your phone, or any other devices that you plug into it. It has a stunning RGB lighting that allows you to choose breathing RGB effects or a static LED illumination, which we'll see later. We have a flexible arm that responds to your movements and ensures you always have the perfect amount of cable slack, because you don't want your cable getting in the way. You got a dynamic RGB cycling motion, of course. The flexible cable rod that fits any kind of braided cables, any of them. So you plug it in there, you pop it in there, it's gonna stay in there. It has enhanced weight with a non-slip gaming stability, so it doesn't move around your desk. It has a drag-free anti-tangle cord control, 2 USB port 3.0s, and of course it has the full color spectrum: red, purple, blue, cyan, green, and yellow that you can all choose from, solid colors or a breathing effect that kind of cycles through them, like you see behind me. The stand itself is about 10 inches tall, it's about 5 inches wide, and then you have a 5-foot braided cable. The TNshadow is not your ordinary headset holder. Not only does it have a 3.0 USB hub with 5 gigabit of transfer speeds and quick charging, it also has a mouse bungee that eliminates cable drag and clutter. Last but not least, your battle station will be upgraded to God tier due to the edgy RGB lighting and smart contouring to fit all gaming headsets. You can proudly boast about your gaming battle station to your friends and live viewers while streaming. I don't know about you, but all of that sounds amazing. Now, as you can see on the top of this box, I have not even opened this yet. We're gonna see it for the first time together, so let's go ahead and get to it. And just like that, the magic of video. What do you get in the box? So first off, you've got your warranty information. Make sure to fill that out, so if anything goes wrong, they can help you get that straight because their customer service is A1. You get 2 Tilted Nation stickers. You got the logo and the lettering, the Tilted Nation. That's awesome. You've got your very small instruction guide because it's a super easy setup. The braided cable is actually a really super nice white braided cable with what looks to be a silver connector for USB, blue connectors of course because it's USB 3, and then you have the bad boy itself. Boom! Just like that. Look at that. It's so nice. The nice white design. Now, working on cars and stuff, I would hate to use something like this just because I get greasy hands and I want to get my headset, I touch it, and of course it's gonna get dirty. But for you guys, if you enjoy the white setup, of course, it's gonna be a nice matte finish on the outside. So I'm touching all over it over here. It's gonna be a nice matte finish, so you don't worry about fingerprints, which is amazing. You've got the gloss white up top and inside of the bezel itself, which is awesome. I like that. You've got your cable mouse bungee right there. Your cord sits right there in the middle, and it's gonna go anywhere that you move your mouse, which is awesome. nice tiltination right there. Your power button, which you can cycle through your different settings. And then of course you've got your ring of light around here, and then your 4 points here. Now something I didn't really know about on the previous tiltination things that we did, that apparently a lot of their products have, but I didn't notice it until about like 2 or 3 videos in. They actually have their own logo at the bottom of this device, and it actually shines that color onto your mouse pad underneath it. That's why it's kind of raised. I like that about it. It's a nice aesthetic. It's a nice simple touch to it. You've got your USB 3 here, here, and here for 3 total. Of course, one has to be plugged into there to provide power to your setup, so you can change all the colors and everything. But the other 2 are free to plug in whatever you need. It's pretty much exactly the same setup as the black. So no matter if you like the white version or you like the black version, either or, they both are amazing products. I highly suggest you get one. And I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me. I actually do believe in their products and what they do. They're great for small streamers, small YouTubers like myself, and they actually believe in you from the get-go rather than going to the top name, the big names of the tech industry to kind of review their products. So I love that about them. It's a very good company to be with, and their products are A1. You've seen the presentation. I'm telling you, you need to jump on this tiltination train, because trust me, all your friends are gonna have it. You're gonna be missing out. Be the first one to get it. Start that trend. And of course, you can also see on the bottom here, these feet. These are rubberized feet, and that keeps it on your desk. So when you have it on your desk, it's very hard to move. I'm putting a lot of pressure to be able to do that, and my bobbleheads are tinkering behind me. But like I said, it keeps it in place. It's a nice design. I like it. Let's plug it in. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see some of the modes in the darkness to see how bright the light is on this device. Alright guys, so right off the bat, I'm going to tell you right now, the white looks so much brighter. I don't know if they upgraded the LEDs inside of this or not, or if it's just the white kind of helping the light spread like it is. But this is super, super bright. I love the way it looks, and it really accents the headset a lot because it's white and gray. Now, the black one's still great. Don't get me wrong. I still love the black for my setup because it's what it goes with. But this right here, super, super bright. It's brand new. I'm just so in love. I might even swap this out. I'm not sure. One of these is going on my setup and one of these is going on my wife's setup. So we'll have to see that a little bit later and fight for that. But let's check out the different modes that it has as well. So as I stated before, you've got your power button here. So you want to tap that once. You've got your red. So you've got your all red. Looks cool, looks sinister, right? Tap again. We got the green. Got green there. I don't know. I'm telling you, it's like brighter over here. We've got the blue. And the blue. We've got the purple. And the purple. Yellow. And yellow. Cyan. Cyan. And white. And white. This is definitely more of a pure white than compared to this one. This has got kind of a bluish tint to it, but this one, bright white. I like that a lot. All right, now let's check out the fade effect or the breathing effect. There we go. And it's just gonna cycle through the colors, just like what's going on in the background. And there you go. So that's the light show, and I'm
I might actually keep this one. I'm sorry, babe. I know I told you could have this one because it goes more with your setup, but I might be leaning towards this now.
So guys, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Would you get one? Leave it in the comments below. Just don't forget to use my code in the description. Trust me, if you want budget-friendly equipment at a reasonable price, even lower with my discount code, please use it. If you like RGB, if you like custom, different, just trust me. These guys know what they're doing. And as you can tell, they really improved on their design. The LED seems to be brighter, more responsive, and the white just looks good. I mean, check it out. Be sure to grab one. Thanks again, Tilted Nation Gaming, for allowing us to review it on our channel and enjoying our reviews as much as you do. I've said it before and I'll say it a million more times. This channel, the equipment we put on it, it could be good, it could be bad. 100% honest reviews. So I'm giving you guys exactly what you need. Plus promo codes on top of it to help save you guys some money. So it's a win-win regardless. So go ahead and get you one. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and it helped anyway, please leave a like on this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on cool tech gear like this. We also do automotive on this channel as well. So Tech Day Tuesdays are only on Tuesdays, and then we've got a bunch of car stuff any other day. Join us, have fun, let's build a community around it, and hope to see you guys again on the channel. Thank you again. Always remember and never forget to stay sinister.
Perfect.